ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਗੀਤਿਕਾ director and founder and lead tutor at eLiteracyLink New Zealand. Just wanted to mention one thing. ਸਾਡਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪਣਾ winter promotion launch ਹੋਣ ਵਾਲਾ and definitely ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰਿਓ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਪਲੇਟਫਾਰਮਸ ਹੈਗੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਇਸ ਵੇਲੇ whether Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Insta, or for that matter, even on our website there we hovega winter promotion and crash courses available there online face to face. So just in case ਤੁਸੀਂ New Zealand ਚ ਕਿਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਹੈਗੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਸਿਟੀ ਚ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ online provide ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਅਸੀਂ classes. So definitely get in touch ਤੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਇਹਦਾ benefit ਲਿਓ because ਜਿਹੜੇ current changes ਹੈਗੇ with immigration policies and stuff, obviously IELTS being one of the most important requirements and definitely a requirement that obviously you can't really ignore. So definitely get in touch ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ absolutely honestly and straightforwardly guide karanga. That's what I have been doing during my teaching years, which has been about 21 years. So yep, get in touch. Thank you. Changa sat sri akal.